What's up, everybody? Today we are changing an oil in a Kawasaki. You may have heard of these, but this one is the 110L, which if you look at other videos that we have done, well, not in other videos, in real life, my uncle, Mark, he called it the 110 Loser. So I guess that's what we're going with today. We're working on the 110 Loser KLX too. So I have to go get a drip pan, but my dad is going to take over for just a little bit when I go get that. Alright, we have set up everything that we need. That is a 12 millimeter. You are going to need an extension for this because how small that thing is right there. We got a 17 to get that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's that bolt right there. The year of this bike is 2019, and it was, I don't know exactly what the day was it was made. We bought it about like 3 months ago with that Suzuki over there. But we're just gonna work on this. So what we're gonna need to help this is the K and N, it's the same thing, K and N Performance, KN 112 cartridge oil filter. Race technology for your, okay, sorry. And here is the oil that we are gonna use. AMS oil, synthetic dirt motorcycle oil, oh yeah, I forgot about this. We were using the Master Marvel because we were riding some river crossings and we hit water got into the oil and it made it all milky looking. So we're going to use Marvel Mystery Oil. You can, I don't know what it says you can add it to gas and oil, but I don't know. Okay.
Helps clean the engine out.
Yeah, it does that. And it also helps extend engine life. All right, we are going to turn this on and to see if it will run to get the oil all smooth so it can drain into that pan. I've been waiting all Thursday to do this. All right, here we go. Bada boom. Bada boom. Oh yeah. We have warmed it up. It is pretty warm. Well, not hot, but it is warm enough. So we're about to take out the skid plate. What you're gonna need is a 12 and the 8. So here we go. The front is an 8 millimeter. Wait, wrong way. Jeez. Why? Why does the skid plate hate me?
What about this? Ready?
I should have thought now. Okay. Yeah, once you brush, okay, maybe not move. So once you go over your hand, do it because it's easier. There is like a nut on here. So drop skid plate and we're gonna put it. Alright, we're gonna pull the drain plug. There we go. You are. That's how we do it. Yeah. We just need clears. Let's keep it out. Get it close. Yeah, not fast. You gotta make sure. Yeah, there you go. You see how it's milky?
Well, that's not too bad.
But it. Alright. You have drained the oil. And now it's to check the oil filter. When we take it off, there is a spring, so you want to make sure that does not fall. You're gonna have to go fishing in that. Oh yeah, there's two. This is an 8mm. Yeah, act like I did it. Make sure I don't lose that. Oh yeah, you want to make sure this O-ring right here, you want to make sure it comes with you, and I just got oil all over my hand. So we have dried all these things out of all the oil, and we are gonna put it back on the motorcycle over there. And I don't want to touch the saber because I got a bunch of oil on my hands. So here we go. Alright, we have put on the drain plug, we have put on the oil filter, we put in this thingy, I don't know the name, and we are putting in AMS oil.
Oh really, how much does it take?
1.1
quarts.
Or between those two lines right here. Alright, we have put in oil and we are going to crank it up so you can go through the oil filter, and then we are going to check the oil line when we are level. Alright. And we're going to start it up to do all that stuff. Alright, here we go. Start second follow. So we have now turned it off. The oil level is at where it should be. And also, thank you for watching. I hope you like this. I hope you liked the video. And also, please subscribe. We are probably going to do other videos, but we do not know yet.
What's the name of your channel?
Oh, and the name of my channel is YOLO Too Slow. Oh, and have a good day. It helps extend engine life, improves motor oil performance, cleans the engine watched a video about it, but I don't remember why we do that. It's cold in Florida. All right, 3, 2, 1. You want to give it some gas? Smells off.
Huh?
The fuel's off.
Was it?
Yeah, it
Well,
says
turn it on.
I'm an idiot.
What?
I'm an idiot.
No, you're not.
All right, here we go.
See, that's where it's hard to. You're working with one hand. That's where it feels on your forehead.
Do you?
It'll be a lot nicer.
Can you go get that?
Not right now.
All right, this is from my port, and this is from my starboard.
Which is left, right.
I took this out. This starboard. I don't know.
Just say left.
This I got it right there, and All right, Dad. I got to a point where I've gotten to the. You are gonna need gloves if you want to wear gloves and not get oil all over your hands. That's what I want to do, but my dad said, nah, they're gonna have to go fishing in that. Oh yeah, there's two. This is an 8mm. One up here and one down here.
You're tightening it.
No, I just was thinking about a movie. It's called. It's about a Jamaican bobsled team.
Come on, hurry up.
Did we wash that or no?
What do you mean by wash?
I mean, dry it out. So we have washed these things.
All I see is your hand.
What?
All I see is your hand. Remember, we're making a video. People have to see it. They don't want to see your hand. They want to see the parts. All right, let's start over.
Hello, we put on the thing. We put on the thing right here, the cork.
The cork?
All right, we have put on the oil filter back on, and I don't even know if I was touching. And this right here, which is the drain plug. When we start it so it can burn some of the oil.
No.